Have you ever wondered how AI understands the world around it? Let's explore the fascinating world of computer vision. Computer vision is a rapidly growing field of AI, enabling machines to interpret images and video, just like human eyes. It's all around us, from unlocking your phone with your face to the sensors guiding self-driving cars on busy streets. While humans recognize objects instantly, computers see the world in a fundamentally different way. To a computer, a photograph isn't a scene. It's a massive grid of numerical data. Every pixel represents a value, creating millions of data points rather than recognizable objects like cats or trees. Without the ability to see concepts, the computer only perceives mathematical values, not the objects they represent. So how does AI transform these numbers into understanding? The answer lies in the training process. Engineers provide massive datasets of labeled images, teaching the AI to identify objects through thousands of examples. The AI compares its guesses against the correct labels, learning from its mistakes with every cycle. Through these adjustments, the internal neural network becomes progressively more accurate at predicting what it sees. This intelligence is built in layers, moving from simple input to complex recognition. The first layers focus on fundamental features, detecting basic straight lines or curved edges. As information moves deeper, these lines combine into corners, shapes, and complex textures. Finally, the deepest layers identify complete objects, like human faces or moving vehicles. This layered approach represents a massive breakthrough in modern artificial intelligence. Instead of programming static rules, we now allow machines to discover patterns themselves. This shift has led to the rapid progress we see in accuracy and capability today. With every image they analyze, AI systems become better at perceiving the world around us. It's a journey of building understanding, one pixel and one layer at a time.